Hi guys, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the divider, we are doing my September planner flip through. If you have any questions about anything in the planner, what I use, stickers, anything like that, please let me know in the comments and I will be sure to respond. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I don't really have anything else to say, so let's just get right on into the video. And I want to apologize for the lighting. I know there's like some shadows here and stuff. I cannot really help. I'm still trying to figure out the lighting. So yeah, just ignore that if you can. This is my currently page for September. I had some birthdays here that I wrote down, then I just did remember. There were even more events in September than I wrote down here. But I just wrote that down at the beginning of the month. Then here, I just put these stickers. I wrote habit trackers in cursive in this box, and then I printed out some habit trackers because I did not want to draw them out again like last month. This is what August's habit trackers looked like. I drew them out all by hand. That was way too tedious. I switched to just printing them out and then I outlined them. So I had workout, log food, and stretch. Workout was a lot better. Log food was pretty good. Stretch, I only did it once, so I didn't even put that as a habit tracker for October. But yeah, that's that. Pretty self-explanatory. This is my monthly, and to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of it. I tried to do like a back to school theme, but it's just like, I don't know, I just wasn't a huge fan. Probably because it's like older stickers, but either way, very busy. Friend's birthday, 2 business events here, family birthday, friend birthday, a lot of game days used, a couple career fairs we had, some school meetings, and then just some stuff that I wanted to get into in September on the side. And yeah, that's pretty much that. I took these pencils and just cut them so it kind of looked like one long box area down here. I like how that turned out, but yeah, this isn't my favorite, but it's not the worst thing in the world either. This was my first week back to college. For my sophomore year, I used the Boss Babe sticker book primarily. I just had tons of things to do this week, so I used this as a running to-do list. I put first day in sticker letters here with some pencils. And don't stress. Of course, we have checklists, a lot of checklists. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I added some laptops and we had 2 football games. Yeah, I honestly don't really know what to talk about in these, so I'm gonna be working on that. But yeah, this is what this week looked like. This is the next week. This is a really, really pretty spread. I really like it because of the black and white and the gold and pink. Once again, I had a running to-do list over here. You'll see a lot of school run and Bella. School run is me taking my sisters to school in the mornings, and Bella is me going to see my aunt and uncle's dog. I go visit her for a little bit, like 2 to 3 times a week to just keep her company while no one's home. Yeah, this was a really fun week. I had my first business event ever, and that was really fun. I stayed at my family's house down there, then I got to meet up with a friend the next day. Yeah, it was a really good week. This, I used the Socialite multi-accessory pack, I think is what it's called. But I really loved the colors, and I figured this was a really nice spread to go for before fall began, because the first day of fall is on the 23rd of September, or was, I should say. So yeah, I wanted to do like one last kind of bright and colorful spread before I won't be doing one until probably like January or February. So yeah, I really liked all the pops of yellow in here, and the pink, and the different shades of blue, and the florals. It was really, really cute. Not really much to say about this. Honestly, it's like the same stuff, like school run, Bella, things like that. This is the last week in September, and I absolutely love this spread. So you can see here, it's Monday, September 23rd was the first day of autumn, and I wanted to go all out with the fall spread. I knew I had these florals, and I wanted to do like a coffee and wood texture spread to just have like an introduction. I thought that would look really pretty with these different florals. So I did that. I added a quote that says, "Oh fall, it's nice to see you again." Then I had a job interview that week, or an internship interview, regular things like checklists, stuff like that. Yeah, that week I had an interview, and I had my last career conference for the year, I think. So yeah, that was really busy, and then I had to help my sister get ready for fall formal. I went to watch my town's homecoming game. It was very busy, but it was really fun, and I absolutely love this spread. So that is the end, and I have not decorated October yet, and it is currently October 4th, so we're doing real good with that already. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to ask. I would be happy to answer. I'm obsessed with planner things, and I would love to talk with anyone that wants to know more or just wants to talk about planner stuff and be planner geeks together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe as well while you're at it. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!